This DStv decoder has not been used for a very long time. If you notice, the decoder has been properly connected, but it's showing error E30. So most decoders, when they have not been used for a very long time, they seem not to show. Now we'll select the free channel, which is 100. This is 100. It's still not showing. 100. Still not showing. So what do? Press the DStv button. Navigate to settings. Then go to system settings. Go to reset decoder settings. There you see so many things there, but go to reset satellite settings. Select the first one. Okay, the decoder is now scanning. The decoder is now scanning. Okay, the scanning is now complete. Let's check the free channel.
This week is a knockout weekend. But no, food truck rookies. This is $25. Come on, you gotta be joking me. New series of the Great Food Truck Race. Saturday.
Not showing. Initially it was not showing, but now you see it's showing. So with this, I can subscribe this decoder now. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.